Yung pag-inom nyo ng fentanyl, sabi ng mga doktor, overdose na yung pag-inom ninyo.
Correct.
At nakaka-addict na nga raw. At
Correct.
kayo raw ang #1 drug addict, sabi ni Senator
Dinagdag na
Laila
lang niya yan. Nagpe-fentanyl ako. Nagpe-fentanyl ako. Ilagay ko lahat. Magandang feeling. Magandang feeling. Para kang nasa... I have never been to paradise, but I've been there. And parang paradise. So gamit ko, but one time, hindi ko na napansin, nakalimutan ko yung marka.
Hindi naman to every week, as you originally said,
good
sir.
for ano yan good for 3 days yan, ma'am. So kasi nga, gusto ko floating.
Kinaklaro ko lang, sir, kasi maraming na-istorbo doon parang sabi nila, abag-abag to, no? Parang sabi nila, fentanyl is worse than morphine. It is addictive, and
You know,
and the fact that you're taking it now weekly may have an effect on your...
Men judge best